Okay, that's enough. I told you I can't really play the piano. I just know that one song, Ode to Joy. So, this is my living studio, Barnard Studio. It's been really great, really enjoying staying here. It's nice to have space to work. Got the picnic baskets, lunchtime, chipmunks making noise incessantly. And right here on the wall, these are called tombstones. These are the plaques that artists sign their names on. So it's pretty interesting. It's over 100 years of these things. You can see all the artists that have been here before you. Some of them are pretty famous. None of them I've heard of. But I'm pretty sure they were famous in their time. Now, you know, they're nothing. But you look at the oldest plaque here, I mean, God, it's so dark and smudged you can't even make out the signatures. So, they're nothing. These people are nothing now. But at least I gotta stay in this wicked studio, huh? Woo! Yeah! Pretty sure I'm gonna live forever, though. Forever and ever. Because, I'm on the internet. Sorry, Thornton Wilder. Hey, you guys want to see some other historical crap? Good. Let's go for a walk. Oh, yeah. It's a wonderful day. It's a wonderful day. Actually, yesterday was a little bit better. Actually, this kind of sucks. This day sucks. Fuck this. But anyways, we'll go see some history. Check this out. This, it's just a guard post now. I don't know where the guard is. But this used to be an outhouse. Not just any outhouse. This is where the famous composer Aaron Copland stayed. Just think. He took a shit right here. A lot of great music was made here. A lot of great... Hey! Woodpecker! Come on, let's go! So, here we are in Colony Hall. This is sort of the heart of the beast, as it were. This is where people get together to talk, watch movies, look at fire, and play ping pong. I invited everybody over here because it's my last day, and I said I was going to have a party. Guess everybody's still on their way. But, look over here. Look over here. Who's this man? This dandy mustached man? Well, that's Edward MacDowell, of course. Yep. It was Edward's dream to make a place where artists could be safe from distraction and create work in peace. He believed that the arts should be given a more prominent place in American culture and society. But I think he was a homosexual. Not that I have any problem with that, obviously, but he just looks like a gay. Look over here. Another picture of him. He looks like Stalin in this picture, I think. And there's Marion, his wife. She actually took care of the place for most of its early years. He died pretty young. He was run over by a carriage or something. Though I heard it was syphilis. Alright, we're coming up on the last thing I wanted to show you. That's this well. This is the well known as the Well of Tears. Because sometime in the 80s, apparently Jonathan Franzen and Alice Walker got in a confrontation wherein Alice Walker called one of Jonathan Franzen's short stories perfunctory and not fully realized. And he reacted by throwing Alice Walker's dog into the well. And on some nights you can still hear the dog yelping for help. And you can still hear Alice Walker on the wind calling your work perfunctory, perfunctory, and not fully realized. What the fuck? Oh, this isn't the right well. I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm talking about.